Hi, I'm Andrew and I'm a rising sophomore at Lynbrook High School. For my main project, I chose to do the third eye for the blind. In my first milestone, I was able to make a piezo buzzer beat faster when an object comes closer to the ultrasonic sensor. So far in this project, I have two main components. One, the ultrasonic sensor, and two, the piezo buzzer. While working on this project, I learned a lot about the ultrasonic sensor. So I learned that the ultrasonic sensor sends out sound waves, which bounces off the object and goes back to the sensor. It's also able to track how long it took for the sound waves to go to and from. So in my code, I took that duration, multiplied it by the speed of sound, and divided it by 2 to get the one-way distance of how far the object is from the sensor. Then the second part was the piezo buzzer. So the piezo buzzer works when you apply voltage to it. The inside of the piezo buzzer vibrates, which creates the sound. In my code, I have two simple functions for the piezo buzzer: the tone and no tone function to turn on and off the sound. So then for the delay in between beeps, I used the distance variable from the ultrasonic sensor. That way I made it so the longer the distance was in between the ultrasonic sensor and the object, the longer the delay was in between beeps. That makes the buzzer beep faster if the object is closer. One challenge I faced was the volume of the buzzer. So when I first started off, I used a resistor for the piezo buzzer, but the sound was really soft. Then when I took out the resistor, the sound was super loud, so I didn't really know where to go. Eventually, I found out that I could use a potentiometer to adjust the sound. The potentiometer is basically a resistor, but with a knob so you can adjust the resistance levels. That way, you can adjust the voltage going into the piezo buzzer, and that ultimately adjusts the sound. So, for example, so far, I really enjoyed making this project. In the next couple of days, I want to figure out how I can incorporate a vibration motor, or how to transfer this to a glove. Thank you for listening.